everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today we're going to be looking at the admin page. So let's just jump into it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We just build one video upon another. So last time, well, we did some HTML, just a little bit of introduction, but we just created a super user. So let's just go ahead and look at what that means. So all right, we're in our directory, Python manage py run server and run server. Wow, helps if you spell Python right. Sorry guys, very tired today. And that is much better. So this is what we do. We do micro videos. But so that's running. We do our local host, then let's get that going. So we have this. We're going to solve that later. That's another issue. So we have our polls. We have that. Now let's look at admin. So I also wanted to show you that you can do localhost for the IP address or the link that's in the Django and on the Django, and I'll put that link down below. So here we are. Oops, I forgot that I was it stayed logged in. So we created a Sam, and it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. So we get logged in. No, I don't want you to keep it. So this is the built-in admin page for Django, and it is already preset to do quite a bit. So it remembers me. It's set back here. That's visit the site. That change password and log out is here behind it. But you have the home, then we have groups, and we have users. So here I am, and here is a great deal of stuff. So I can go in and I can add more to it. Here is all the permissions that I have because I am an admin, and this is all built in for you. I don't have this sized exactly right, but you can see on yours I have permission, I'm active, staff, status, and super user, and here is all of this already set up for us. But this is the stuff that Django already has done so much heavy lifting. So next video we're going to be building on the problem of these views right here. So here's a little bit of foreshadowing. So we're going to begin to control how in the world and what this happens, because right now we don't have a home set up, right? Because we added polls, and then and then admin was already there, and it goes right here. So we need to learn to deal with that. So real quick video today, and we have a bunch of new subscribers last week and this week, so I want to say thank you to you guys. But as always, please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.